Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. This is sort of going to be like a part 2 to the Noble LED video that we just did, and so we're going to be replacing the factory tag lights on the 2022 WRX with some LEDs. So as with all the interior bulbs, the license plate bulbs are halogen as well, and they're very dim, and while some people may not want to light up their license plate for some reasons, it does make your car look outdated on the road when you're driving around. So upgrading them to a nice, cooler LED is going to look really nice. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into it. So the first manner of business here is going to be to pop your trunk. After you have the trunk popped, you're going to need to remove this liner. There's a series of quite a few plastic clips here. There's 9 in total, 4 on each side and 1 in the middle. Remove those. Pull this liner down. So let me show you guys where these lights are to replace them with the full LED boards. They're basically tucked up in here, but we're gonna need to remove this whole black trim that connects the taillights to get to them. So to remove the black trim that goes on the trunk, there's gonna be an 8mm bolt here, an 8mm nut here, and then it's going to be reversed on the other side. We're gonna have the same exact bolts. After those 4 bolts are removed, there's just 2 pop clips, so you're basically just gonna have to pull on this carefully. All right, there it goes. So you're gonna have a connection here for that trunk button. See, I'm pressing it right now. Don't worry about that, we're just gonna let this sit right here. If you want to, you could actually punch out this rubber grommet and unplug it from the inside. I'm not gonna worry about that, I'm just gonna kinda let it hang here with the trunk open. It's not gonna really do anything, so it's just gonna be resting on there. If you lose one of your pop clips out of the trunk trim, make sure to grab that and put that back in place. Now we're gonna come back inside the trunk. You're gonna see this connector right here. Give this a twist and pop it out. This is your stock halogen bulb. Leave that go for now. You're gonna see the housing that the bulb goes into. There's gonna be basically 2 push clips. One's kind of clipped in this way, and this larger one, we're gonna push in this larger one and push it up and grab it with our hands, pull it out of the car. There it is. Now we're gonna take this new one here and pop it back in from the front side. When you do this, make sure that you try and keep the same orientation that the stock one had. That first clip into place. Now we're gonna remove the stock halogen bulb and we're gonna plug this in. Now we can take this, we can push it back up in here somewhere, or we can zip tie the connector like that. Then we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. We will reinstall the black trim on the outside of the trunk, and then we'll reinstall our trunk liner, and we are all finished. Here you can see a side-by-side comparison, even in the daytime. Okay guys, this is what the tag light looks like. It is pretty much dark in here. There's a little bit of ambient lighting coming in from the garage doors and such. Here's the after. You can see it's a much cooler, whiter light, a lot brighter. Well guys, that's gonna be it for the install of the Noble license plate LEDs. We'll leave a link in the description of the video where you can get a set for yourself. Thanks for watching guys, we'll see you in the next one.